Hey guys, today I thought I'd do a little Mario Kart speedrunning. Just kidding, I'm mostly going to be solving cubes, but I decided I'm going to try and solve 6 cubes and still get first place on Rainbow Road. So in case you haven't heard of this before, this is a challenge posted by TWD98 or Troy 4 years ago. So I'm pretty late to this, but it's my first time hearing about it and I wanted to give it a shot. So what you do is you go into versus mode, then in the rules you have to set them this way, otherwise it's going to be too easy. So once you set them like that, then you go into solo race, and of course just, pick a character. I'm going to go Donkey Kong on the Flame Runner, of course, can't even find it. I haven't played this game in so long, but I'm going to try many times probably today, and I'm going to see if I can get first place in Rainbow Road while solving 6 cubes. The record is 5, so this will be how I get a world record. So the cubes are scrambled, and I just can't start until the race actually begins, which is happening soon, so I better get ready. Alright. So I'm going to do part of the race first, and this will just take me to the item set. Move forward. Nice. Golden, that's the worst item. We're gonna have to use this. And we'll chain it at this item set over here. Bullet. I just spammed that by accident. Great, take me right in there. No, I'll have to go in myself. Dude, are you kidding me? Shocked right after the dodge spot. Okay, missed the. Oh! That's what happens when you haven't played this game in years. Okay, I just had to not come last on the first lap. 11th, okay. Oh, I was so nervous. Okay, alright, we're good. That was way too close to getting last there. Golden again, are you kidding me? Okay, this is gonna be a really tough race without bullets. Golden over this. At least it makes this part a little safer. Come on, yes. Bullets, gotta use that. Okay, the cubes are done. It's gonna be really rough whether or not I can, oh, I almost got wheelie bumped there. Whether or not I can finish first. But I'm not gonna get good items anymore, which is why this is, like, not guaranteed. And Daisy's so far ahead, I'm gonna have to hope for a blue shell here. Oh, whoops. Oh, there it is. I hope she doesn't dodge it. Oh, there. I'm in first. Oh my. Okay, this could be the one. Just make sure my cubes are actually solved. I've definitely gotten here before and realized I missed a cube. Because as you can probably, I couldn't drift, but yeah, as you can probably realize, this is not my first attempt. Still got first. Wow, okay. Just do a quick check there. Yep, 6 cubes solved. That is the new record for getting first in Rainbow Road while solving Rubik's Cubes. Go got first. Okay, remember, I cannot get 12th on the first lap, which is why... Or... Should I go for the moon jump? Alright, let's go for it. Bullet just threw me off the edge. I already forgot what to do. Did I just fall off? Is that what I just heard? Wow, what a bad respawn point. What the heck? Okay. Enough to go into this one one-handed. And let's get to the box. That was a really fun challenge, but it was also so tiring because not only was I playing Mario Kart for like the first time in, I don't know, it must have been at least like 12 or 13 years, but I'm also like solving all these cubes and I don't usually do relays, so that was just exhausting for me. And if anyone here also watches Troy, let him know I love his videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.